In news, my lovely, wonderful people. It has happened. Fubara finally raised the bar as Wike loses out completely. PDP accepts court ruling, restoring Fubara backed Exco's in Rivers. So this is the new problem Wike has at the moment. My dear, Wike thought he could get away with anything going on. But let me tell you, it's no longer business as usual. It's no longer business as usual. PDP have come to accept the court ruling. There's a court ruling now, and Wike is just losing out, and he's not concentrating. The truth of the matter is, if you put your hands in so many things, you might end up losing. That's what is exactly wrong with Wike at the moment. Wike is putting his hands in so many places, honestly, in so many places, and that's the problem. That's the problem right now. Well, my lovely, wonderful people, it is what it is, and whether you like it or not, every single person is wondering and trying to understand what the real problem is at the moment. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. Wike loses big time as PDP accepts court ruling, restores Fubara backed Exco in Rivers. So this is what is happening right about now at the moment. The National Working Committee, NWC of the People Democratic Party, has acknowledged and accepted the judgment of the Rivers State High Court, which nullifies the party ward local government and state congresses conducted on July the 27th, August the 10th, and August the 31st, 2024, respectively. In compliance with the court decision delivered on Monday, January the 13th, 2025, the NWC has reinstated Honorable Nene Robinson, led Rivers State Executive to oversee the affairs of the PDP in the state under the party constitution. The NWC committed and has finally accepted the court decision, emphasizing that People Democratic Party commitment to transparency in internal democracy and adhesion to the rule of law will take preeminence no matter what. A statement signed by the People Democratic Party National Publicity Secretary Debo reads in part, the NWC charges has accepted the River High Court judgment completely, the executives, and has commissioned them to work to further unite the party in the state so that the People Democratic Party PDP can continue to enjoy massive dividends of democracy as being delivered by our performing governor, Sir Fubara, in line with the manifesto and publicity and the public trust we have entrusted on him as a People Democratic Party. The NWC commands all members of People Democratic Party in Rivers State to continue to support the governor and commend them for their steadfastness and unshaken belief in the ideas of the party as a truly democratic and all-inclusive party, only to collectively to ensure that truth is manifested at all time. So this is what has happened. Court has given a decision with regards to what is going on in Rivers State. Wike seems to be on the losing end as a result of decisions he has taken and he has made. As we speak at the moment, things are really unfolding very quickly, and Wike may not be able to truly get out of this. His guys are out of the picture, and whether you like it or not, he just have to move on. When they say move on, move. He just have to move and do not allow himself to be kept on the bench. If he really wants to see better decisions and better things being done, he needs to begin to rise up and accept the reality of what is going on right now. So this is what is happening. This is the reality, and everybody is waiting patiently to see, what the real issue is and how we can truly, sincerely, make sure that at the end of the day, Only the honest, sincere, true people who Nigerians have given the opportunity to lead are the ones in the ends of affair. Because whether you like it or not, nobody will see what is wrong and continue to, turn a blind eye or pretend that they cannot see it. Okay, so at the time, at this point in time, the timeline clearly shows, that this person's, most of them are really just looking out for themselves and not for the people. How sad, how really sad. But guess what? That's what is happening. And as a nation, as a people, if we want, to really, move this nation forward, if we want to really, get things back on track, every one of us have got, the things that we need to do. Nobody should sit back there and pretend like all is well and just carry on with business as usual, as if we cannot see, right beneath our eyes what the issue is at the moment. Truth is, whether you like it or not, all truth must be exposed so that we can sincerely move on and have all the necessary impacts to ensure that at the end of the day, truth is manifested at all points, at all costs, and we do not leave ourselves, in the arms of those who wants to destroy this nation. Whether you like it or not, the nation must move forward, and every one of us must do everything, humanly speaking, possible to bring us into, the position where truth can be revealed and we can truly come out of everything, humanly speaking, possible that puts us, in an uncomfortable position. Nigerians, we must move forward. We must move forward, and we must tell the truth. So I don't understand why. Okay, people see that they have lost the picture, they have lost completely, and they continue to still pretend. It baffles me. Politicians will come and they will give a powerful statement. Is it really powerful, or is just them being, being liars? I don't think it's a powerful statement. I just think they really prey on our intelligence, or they just want to, or they continue to do what they do, and we don't really, we buy it. I think that's the point. I think we buy all their idiosyncrasies. We don't really pay attention to say, you know what, a word is enough for the wise. Let's do what is needed. Let's do what is necessary, and let's move the nation forward. I think that's where the problem is. I think we don't really get to, say things as they are, and we leave ourselves in the hands of those who wants to destroy the nation. How very sad. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.